Hey everyone, it's Keko Gaming, and today I'm doing the... Okay, this is Kuro.
Hi.
This is Kuro. So we're doing the Boyfriend Does My Makeup YouTube challenge, but because we're both the boyfriend, we're gonna do each other's makeup. It's a two-way street in this relationship.
I'm gonna do Kenma's makeup like normal. Like it's supposed to happen, but Kenma's also gonna do my makeup. And I'm really frightened. I've
been watching YouTube tutorials. I've been learning, I think it'll turn out pretty good. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, do you wanna go first, or do you want me to go first?
I don't know. We go at the same time.
Okay, we can't go at the same time. Can you imagine just both trying to put each other's eyeliner on at the same time?
That'd be so romantic.
So I figured we would do this step by step. So, like, you would start with my overall face.
Okay.
Like, not like the eyes, overall face, and then I'll do your overall face.
Does that include eyebrow? Oh.
No, well, this will be
so just do all over my face.
Yeah. Stop. all over the... Yeah, so you want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always finish first. Is this your highlighter brush?
No.
Is this your highlighter brush?
I don't have a highlighter brush. You said you had all your brushes.
Yeah, but I don't wear makeup. Don't tell anyone that. Where's your stacky?
I don't wear makeup either.
Why do we have all this makeup?
How does yours?
Soikawa's.
Soikawa's.
Call out post.
Call out post.
Give me your thingy. The wrap.
Okay.
Give me the burrito. This is not what I wanted. Give me the burrito.
Okay.
Stop looking for stuff to give me and just give me the burrito. This is Kenma. This is me. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Come here, bitch. You're so cute. Okay. So, you're so beautiful. I love you.
What are you doing?
I am.
You have to narrate it, or else the people will know.
Pouring acid on your face.
Okay, that's not what it feels like, Kuro. What is that?
It's a highlighter.
What was the thing before that then?
The softer highlighter.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
So like I said, I've been watching some MUA videos. That means makeup artists.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a technique called strobing.
Streaking?
Streaking.
Whatever.
Oh, you watching that?
No.
What the fuck? I mean, no, it's fine.
Okay, that felt like a little much right there.
No.
That look good?
Thank you. You knew exactly what I needed. This is why. If you ever ask yourself why, this is why.
What?
I love you. There. I think that's where you put it. I mean, I know that's where you put it. Okay, then actually, you know, this is going on a lot thicker, and I think it really helps if I use my finger more. I feel like you don't trust me.
I definitely don't.
I'll put it... Wait.
No! That doesn't help.
No, you don't know. Okay, I've done my research.
This is contour.
I'm doing the contour.
Okay, you're putting it on really hard.
No, that's fine.
Why are you making that face?
It's my normal face. Please don't make fun of it.
Okay, you're painting like a third grader. You're just like, okay. I'm gonna go back in and highlight you some more.
No, you're done.
No.
You can't get back at me for highlighting.
I wasn't gonna get back at you. I was gonna preciously add more.
I mean, there's nothing to get back at, because this looks really good. If I was a freshman girl, I would be like, wow, my senpai is on fleek.
So, you look hot. Irregardless.
Thank you. But irregardless.
Smile. Give me one of these. Yeah. This brush hurts. I mean, it looks like it hurts from not experience.
Ow.
Yeah. It's very spiky.
Oh.
You look so cute. Come back here.
You're shoving me away with that brush. It's like the strongest force I've ever felt in my face.
Kenma? It's
Yeah?
supposed to be on the apples?
That's the apples.
No, Kenma, stop!
This is where it goes. Haven't you seen Gingerbread Man?
Kenma. Kenma. Careful.
Do really slow. Be careful. Okay, what's next? Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Stop looking in this bag. I'm digging for stuff. So what color is your hair?
Blonde.
Okay, well it's not really, so let's go with black. Look at me. My sexy. Sorry. You look good.
Do I?
You always look good.
I don't believe you.
Kenma. Remember that? Remember when I used to have to find you because you'd wander off like a weird child?
I still do that.
Yeah. Just less.
No, you're bringing the eyebrow away, and you're like in the middle of the forehead. You're like making me question
Filament.
what's wrong with my hair that's already there.
I'm filling it in.
Filling what in?
Filling in your eyebrows. Go here.
What was it before it was filled in? Empty?
No.
What did you do, girl? What did you do?
Nothing. It's fine. I'll cover it up. Do you like the sound effect?
Yeah, you should do more of them. Is it hot? Is it burning me?
Yeah, blend this out. You look hot.
Does this look good?
You look beautiful. Look at you. See, you guys might think Kenma is all like serious and quiet and cool.
You come onto my channel and you give me stupid eyebrows.
No, I'm okay. You look good.
Really?
You're drawing them on? With liquid?
No, it's eyebrow liner. Pen.
Please.
Okay, bold brows are in this season.
Yeah,
That's what I read.
yeah. Jesus, good
We're
Lord.
gonna.
No, that's too high.
That's where your actual. I'm touching your actual eyebrow.
For real, do it. Is he lying?
No, I'm not.
Okay, we probably get.
Forgot about the pen part. Like, okay, so you know, like birds.
I'm not a
The,
bird.
the male birds have really bright colors and stuff to like assert their dominance. That's what you're gonna do with your brows.
You're drawn in the middle of my face.
That's how it felt for me too. But did I stop you? No, I just complained a bunch.
I'm gonna make a YouTube channel.
What's it been called?
Cat Daddy 69. It matches both toes.
What's his?
Who Daddy 69?
It's pretty good actually. Yeah, I don't need the other one. It's covered.
Is it?
It is
Does that
covered.
look good?
No, well, no.
Does that look good?
Don't move it.
Okay.
Don't move it. What are we doing now?
Eyeshadow and eye stuff.
What is that?
Primer.
What the fuck is a primer?
Close your fucking eyeballs. Okay, now let's see. What colors do you want? I'm gonna go with sexy.
Okay. Lay it on me, Cat Daddy 69.
Kemma, what's your favorite color?
Orange.
What the fuck? Since when? Nominees.
Second year of high school?
I feel like I had a lot of confidence in myself. And that stops. I don't know. Close your eyes. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Is he lying? Tell me in the comments if he's lying.
Dramatic wing. Spoke tone.
Give me cat eye.
I will.
Get it?
Meow.
No, get it?
I got it.
Nicoma.
Blue clock.
There it goes. Cats.
Stop! I think I'm getting the hang of this. I think I'm doing it. I think I'm saving it. Nothing.
What do you mean? Save it. Oh God.
Right here.
You're not God. Help a false prophet.
Look down. Open your eyes.
Hurting.
Oh my hurting.
You're freaking me out. It's manifesting in physical pain.
Look down.
Help! Ah!
Kemba's a baby.
That was the scariest moment of my life.
You're so gorgeous, Kenma. I'm blending. You look so. Oh my God, Kenma. I probably look awesome too. Okay.
Okay, I'll do your eyes now. You know who's really in this year? Who's really in?
Us.
No, besides us. Who's really in?
Sure, Torizawa.
Jessica Rabbit.
What? Oh God.
Okay, I can. You don't want to reveal your other eyebrow. We're already committed to the fact that.
I don't have
You
one.
had that?
What?
No, it's fine.
What happened?
Nothing happened. It's just for some reason like I did this here and then it went everywhere like down here. It looks like you're crying. It's making me sad. Let me fix it. We're gonna elongate the eyelid. No, it's fine.
What's wrong?
I was really shocked by your beauty for a second. Okay. You know when kids start learning how to draw? And they just like grab the crayon and they just...
Do I look gorgeous?
Okay, I need to be very still because if you keep moving and that's why everything keeps
It's my fault.
getting fucked up. Yeah, I was doing a good job. And then... Okay, don't move.
Why does he keep laughing at me?
I'm not as nimble as I thought I was. I've been watching the makeup artist tutorials. This is what they say is good.
Is this good?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice. That's what eyes look like. This is some really advanced techniques that I'm about to do.
Nope.
What?
I know what you're doing,
No,
Kenma.
what are you talking about? Okay, this
Don't draw eyelashes on my fucking lid. Kenma's straight up laughing at me at this point, so I know he's not taking it seriously.
No, I'm laughing because you know me so well. You know, it's a really advanced technique where it makes you look really cute. It's like a backdrop, okay? Movies have backdrops. We gotta even this out. Oops. Okay,
Look at that. No complaining.
cover it all up. Cover up my mistakes. There.
I'm almost done. Oh my god.
It tickles so much. What type of brush from Oikao are you putting inside my mouth?
The Kawa's asshole brush.
Oh, good. I was worried of something else. Well, you copying my move? Copying my highlighting move? Yeah, see, you're complaining. You're like, this is dumb, but you know it's the way to go. What? No, don't look. What? This is cheating, Kenma. You're cheating. You're a big cheater. Okay. They've said don't pair a bold lip with a bold eye, but you know what? We're going places where the makeup community hasn't even thought of today.
Why?
Did you close your mouth together when I was
Yeah.
looking away? Oh. It's fine.
Okay, Kenma, you're drawing it with like a crayon. That crayon analogy you used, you're doing it again.
I'm just nervous because you're so beautiful. My hands are shaking. Do I have like a problem with my hands? Do I have a hand problem that I'm just finding out about now?
I don't know what's happening right now, but I'm not liking
Covering it up.
Stop looking at my eyelids like there's something wrong with them.
There's nothing wrong with
You
them.
didn't. Oh, you did give me mascara. Okay, are we done? That's beautiful. Okay, so mirror time. I'll turn it for you.
Okay.
Where's the
Wait,
mirror? I'll turn it for you. Where'd the mirror fucking
No, what'd you do with the mirror?
You threw it.
You lost the mirror.
Kenma's done.
Okay.
So this is Kenma's look. Beautiful, gorgeous, incredible. You look so cute. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wow.
Do you like it?
I look at this the whole time.
Yeah. What do you mean? You don't like your double. You don't. Your eyeliner matches your hair.
Oh, I see it.
Do you
Alright.
like it? You like them?
Yeah, actually, it's not bad. Maybe I should look into doing this like more in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look good.
Okay.
This is my look.
Okay, are you ready, Kuro? Okay, are you ready for the reveal?
No, I don't want to look at it.
Okay. Are you shocked at how beautiful you can be if you really put your all into it?
I look like Metatron.
You look like what? Oh my god, it's from Popular.
What's wrong with my fucking eyebrow?
It's strong. It's a strong eyebrow. You can't even see the other one.
I'm gonna
Put that back down.
Oh god, why are there spiders on my face?
So you were dodging my mascara with your tricksy eyelids.
I actually don't hate it as much as I thought I would.
No, I know.
I kind of look like a drag queen.
At one point, I was like, "Damn, you look like someone's like sexy mom."
Do I look like a sexy? I'm feeling this.
Yeah, let's just turn this.
Oh god.
Okay, let's turn it. Flip it back up. Flip it back up.
Ooh.
I like literally don't even look like myself. You look like my soulmate.
You look like my.
Why did you laugh?
You look like my soulmate. Are we done?
I don't know what else there is to say. I don't know what's left to say.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Look something. Wow. Oh my highlight is messed. Stop. This has been somebody wearing. This has been some lizard. See you next time on Keko Gaming.
Bye.
Oh, you fucking split my nose.